happy, baby. I'm so happy. Be careful, Clara. Don't sit on her.
I'm not sitting on her.
We're about to sit on her.
Can I sit on the couch with her? Can I sit on?
Don't push down on her.
Can I sit by her? Can I sit by baby Nova?
Yeah, you are sitting by her.
I'm not laying on her.
We're doing good.
She likes her blanket.
Yeah, I don't think she meant to do that. Give it some smiles, little girl. Show us those smiles. Here's your tongue. No, she's not crying. She's happy. You say, mama, mama, mama. Mama, mama. Mama, mama, mama. Mama, mama. Ba, 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 ba. Goo, ga. Say something for us. Say something. Yeah. See, this is a happy girl. Oh, what's the matter?
I got her babies.
I'm not sure she wants that munchkin.
She's getting mad.
She's getting mad.
Open wide.
She's smiling at you. She loves you.
She loves me.
Yeah.
Doesn't she?
You love your big sister. Yeah. She's a good big sister. Uh-oh. Hiccups. Oh no, not the hiccups. Oh. Not the hiccups.